Okay, for your practice questions, I want you to use your strategies. So I want you to listen to these instructions, but then I will stop at a certain point and just say that I'm going to read all the questions. And if you don't listen to the questions read aloud, then you can stop there. So, okay, so looking at number 1, remember our strategies are underline the question, highlight keywords, and then prove your answer. Okay, so number 1 says, eukaryotes are classified into 4 kingdoms according to certain characteristics. The diagram below shows some characteristics of the 4 kingdoms. It says eukaryotes, kingdom 1, multicellular, heterotrophic. Kingdom 2, multicellular, autotrophic. Kingdom 3, single-celled or multicellular, heterotrophic. Kingdom 4, single-celled or multicellular, autotrophic or heterotrophic. Which of these is the plant kingdom? So I'm going to come here, I'm going to underline this question. Which of these is the plant kingdom? Now I need to highlight my keywords. Remember, you want to highlight as little as possible because you really want it to you want it to focus you on the important information that's going to help you find your answer. So just because it's a science vocabulary word does not necessarily mean it needs to be highlighted. For instance, here, which of these is the plant kingdom? I think that is the only keyword in the actual question that I would highlight. Now, anytime you have a graphic or a table or a chart, I would do some highlighting there. Again, you don't want to highlight the whole thing. I would go through here and read through these, and if it is the plant kingdom, if it's true of plants, then I'm going to put a check. So multicellular, check. Okay. Heterotrophic, I don't know. Is it heterotrophic? If it is, I'm going to put a check. If it's not, I'm going to put an X. Okay. And so then I would go through here and I would choose the kingdom where I've got 2 checks because both of those boxes are true of plants. Now, once you've done that, you're going to insert a text box. You're going to type your proof. How do you know that it's the right answer? What is it that's in the table or in this graphic that supports plant kingdom? Okay, now you're going to do these steps on every question. Underline your question, highlight keywords, type your proof. Now, if you're not going to listen to me read each question, the other 2, you can stop the video here and go to your questions to begin your work. I've already read question 1, but I will go ahead and reread it so that you can begin your work now if you're going to listen to the questions. Number 1, eukaryotes are classified into 4 kingdoms according to certain characteristics. The diagram below shows some characteristics of the 4 kingdoms. Eukaryotes, kingdom 1, multicellular, heterotrophic. Eukaryotes, kingdom 2, multicellular, autotrophic. Kingdom 3, single-celled or multicellular, heterotrophic. Kingdom 4, single-celled or multicellular, autotrophic or heterotrophic. Which of these is the plant kingdom? Pause the video and work on question 1. Question 2. Some students collected leaf samples. The students used the leaf identification key shown below to identify a leaf sample. Leaf identification key. Step, characteristic, species. 1A, simple leaf, single leaf. 1B, compound leaf, leaves grouped on a stem. 2A, leaves directly opposite on twig. 2B, leaves not directly opposite on twig. 3A, leaves with 5 lobes. 3B, leaves with 3 lobes. 4A, leaves that are fan-shaped. 4B, leaves that are star-shaped. 5A, leaves arranged like a fan. 5B, leaves directly opposite on stem. Based on the identification key, which type of tree is this sample from? Pause the video now and answer question 2. Question 3. During primary ecological succession, the initial formation of soil helps establish A. grasses, B. mushrooms, C. shrubs, D. trees. Now make sure that you have used your strategies on all 3 questions. Make sure you've proven your answers on all 3 questions. Then you're going to turn it in. Try the turn in button in Cami, see if it works. Let me know if it does or doesn't. If it doesn't, you can just go back to Classroom and click turn in. But you should see that it's, try the turn in button. If it doesn't, try turning it in Classroom. Let me know if it works. You can comment on this assignment if it doesn't work for you.